your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a quick fix tortilla wrap. Without further ado, let's jump right in. I will be using cabbage, salam, cheese, cooking oil, minced beef. I marinated this overnight with celery, ginger and garlic powder, salt, and oregano. Chicken breast. I also marinated this overnight with turmeric, ginger, garlic, and onion paste, black pepper, salt, parsley, and seasoning powder, and lastly tortilla. So guys, let's get started. Finally, tortilla wrap is ready. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.